is where them have all of the butterflies.
Oh, I see. I didn't know that they sent them by mail.
Have a good day.
Would you believe I never got a chance to go to this park?
After I get off of work early in the morning.
So, as you can see, beautiful, beautiful view. On this side, I think this is where them have the alligators. Gator, crocodile Dudley.
Wins 34-63.
Alright, so this is where I tell you what type of bird they're over here. So up on the little birdie there, so all of the bird watch of them.
Can't complain. Alright. Thing. Okay. Ready?
Every single time I'm in his
Good look at exercise, you know? Can walk the trail 1 or 2 times. Good look at exercise.
Right over here, so them have the turkey them. Different species. Alright, if you look closely, right there, see alligator? Right there. Yep. Little peace sign. See him there right there, so. See him, guys? Alligator right there, so. Hi. Hi. Little birdie there. Little duckling.
It is
Oh,
an
sorry.
alligator.
Yeah, it's an alligator.
Oh.
We're not
dear.
expecting.
Our-
We're not expecting.
Beautiful. Nice little stroll, you know? Let me show them over here, so. Basically give you a breakdown over there over here, so nothing too serious. Feel like crocodile Dudley, like I want to jump into the swamp. Whole heap of bird watchers. Oh. Aye.
You remind me.
Huh?
You remind me to make a video.
Alright. See a lot of birdies over there. Bird, them happy up in them little thing. Stroll kind of get intense. See what's going over here, so see what them must say are going on. The place. Nice. What them must say are going on here, so talk about the plants and all of them great stuff there. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna go walk the whole of the trail today. Beautiful.
Guy with the big lamb.
Yeah, I've wait my bird watchers out here today. Yeah, another bird watching thing in the as I scroll through. Yeah, just I scroll through. Hope everybody watch the video to the end. Like, share, comment, subscribe. This is gonna be our first video up on the channel.
All kinds of grasses.
Can't see you.
No. Can you see the coot?
Alright. So in the jungle, I know, see if Mr. Tarzan over there. Who knows? Beautiful watcher, man.
I don't think it's that as much as
Oh, that look a trail there nice to take like an evening walk with your family. You know, feel like go to the gym. Good way for burn some calories. Like a shed over there so they can stop. Cool off.
Not as toxic.
Right now. I shall be up on good timing.
Very happy.
I'm going to finish the trail in less than 20 minutes. Pretty well. Alright.
But yeah, he's like, he's extremely disappointed.
Why? But the man vote for liquor. You know, like this, I want liquor. Next liquor party, if you feel like you're tired, you want to stop or rest up. You just want to come up here, so. Oh, what a liquor seat. You can hold a liquor seat, sit down. And tell you what you're here, so again. Alright. Back on the stroll. Right now, I'm search for Pokemon. I don't see him yet still. Kinda windy. Alright. Today was a nice day for the up on the shore, you know. Sun not too hot, not too cool. Weather just right. Be seen us sitting out there, you know.
Down below,
See, us them come out. Take them look a stroll. Alright, them block off the part there, so can't do the 1.5 mile. We continue right there, so. I'm past them bird watcher, yeah. Alright. Start. Let them block off over this so they can't walk over this.
Just hang out and you can have,
Alright.
you can do like
The big boy them. There's none of them out there. And the alligator them know say me da forward today, no, so them no bother come out. There's none of them. Alright, so reach at the end of the trail. If you like to see some more videos like this, just comment in the comment section.